Are you ready to get spooky?
Totally.
Are you ready to get spooky?
You know it.
I have Dee and Jess, and today we are going to make spooky Halloween jack-o'-lantern tie-dye shirts. And it's something that looks like this. I'll put a picture there. This is what we're trying to create today.
Trying is the key word.
We have everything you will need. We have tie-dye, which we have prepared earlier. Hopefully it is orange. This has gotten too spooky for me.
Elastic bands.
Elastic bands.
Rubber bands, elastic bands.
Completely forgot they were called. Gloves, so that we don't have to get orange hands, although I already have. And shirts to dye. I'm going to, I've got blue in my shit already.
The doctor is in. Hey!
Are you ready for your exam?
Did you just spray that everywhere?
How scary!
She got a little too frisky. And now we set this in the fridge for half an hour and we'll come back to it later. Here's one I prepared. No, there's not one that I prepared.
We do not have one earlier.
Thank you.
And I'm pretty sure you don't need to put it in the fridge. I think we need to leave these for like 6 to 8 hours.
I'm gonna put the plastic
So
in
when we come back to do the second part, it will be another day. It is another day. We're back.
Yes.
We left the tie-dye overnight and rinsed it out and then washed it by itself. And now we have our beautiful patterns.
Shan has decided her face and me and Jess not so much.
Yeah. Where did I put it? I prepared earlier a little drawing of what I'm going to attempt to achieve. We've got our fabric paint, we've got brushes and water. I don't know if we need water, I just got it anyway. We haven't got one colour, so we shouldn't need water, but I don't know. I don't think you can actually see any of the shirts from over there, but we will, once they are dry, put them on and display them
for you.
You can see how they turned out.
You'll be very scared.
It'll
And
be
very scary.
spooky as hell. So that's how we made our spooky pumpkin teas. I hope you enjoyed. Hope you can make your own, and we'll see you next time.
Bye!